Hello, my name is Norberto Nomoto, I'm from Brazil. This is my project. I'm using an Arduino Uno. Also, I have wired all components on the breadboard. I have used 2 push buttons and 1 LED. For each push button, I have used 1 resistor, 10k ohms, and for the LED, I have used 1 resistor, 1k ohms. So I'm going to show the behavior of the system under 4 conditions. No push buttons pressed, not happens. If I press the push button number 1 alone, not happens. If I press push button number 2 alone, not happens. If I press the both push buttons together, the LED turns on. So for the push buttons, I have used the pin numbers 2 and 3, and for the LED, I have used the pin number 8. Thank you.